Hello again. Welcome back to Galaxy Guides. We've ventured from the scorching extremes of Venus. But now, it's time to return to our one and only home, the third jewel from the Sun, the remarkable Earth. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, so you won't miss a moment of our journey through the solar system. Let's get started. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system, following Mercury and Venus. It is located at an average distance of about 149.6 million kilometers, 93 million miles, from the Sun. The planet's diameter, often referred to as Earth's equatorial diameter, is approximately 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles. This measurement defines Earth's size, and it makes our planet the fifth largest among the 8 major planets in the solar system. Our planet is unique for many reasons, but its available water and oxygen are two defining features. Water covers roughly 71% of Earth's surface, with most of that water located in our planet's oceans. About a fifth of Earth's atmosphere consists of oxygen, produced by plants. Earth is geologically active, with features such as volcanoes, earthquakes, and tectonic plate movements. These processes shape the planet's surface over time. Earth happens to orbit the Sun within the so-called Goldilocks zone, where temperatures are just right to maintain liquid water on our planet's surface. Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle, but rather a slightly oval-shaped ellipse, similar to the orbits of all the other planets in our solar system. Our planet is a bit closer to the Sun in early January and farther away in July, although this proximity has a much smaller effect on the temperatures we experience on the planet's surface than does the tilt of Earth's axis. Statistics about Earth's orbit, according to NASA. Average distance from the Sun, 92,956,050 miles, 149,598,262 kilometers. Perihelion, closest approach to the Sun, 91,402,640 miles, 147,098,291 kilometers. Aphelion, farthest distance from the Sun, 94,509,460 miles, 152,098,233 kilometers. Length of solar day, single rotation on its axis, 23.934 hours. Length of year, single revolution around the Sun, 365.26 days. Equatorial inclination to orbit, 23.4393 degrees. Scientists think Earth was formed at roughly the same time as the Sun and other planets some 4.6 billion years ago, when the solar system coalesced from a giant, rotating cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. As the nebula collapsed under the force of its own gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the material in that disk was then pulled toward the center to form the Sun. Earth's core is about 4,400 miles, 7,100 kilometers wide, slightly larger than half the Earth's diameter and about the same size as Mars. The outermost 1,400 miles, 2,250 kilometers of the core are liquid, while the inner core is solid. That solid core is about 4/5 as big as Earth's moon, at some 1,600 miles, 2,600 kilometers in diameter. The core is responsible for the planet's magnetic field, which helps to deflect harmful charged particles shot from the Sun. Above the core is Earth's mantle, which is about 1,800 miles, 2,900 kilometers, thick. The mantle is not completely stiff but can flow slowly. Earth's crust floats on the mantle much as a piece of wood floats on water. The slow motion of rock in the mantle shuffles continents around and causes earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountain ranges. Above the mantle, Earth has two kinds of crust. The dry land of the continents consists mostly of granite and other light silicate minerals, while the ocean floors are made up mostly of a dark, dense volcanic rock called basalt. Crust describes the outermost shell of a terrestrial planet. Earth's crust is generally divided into older, thicker continental crust and younger, denser oceanic crust. The dynamic geology of Earth's crust is informed by plate tectonics. Earth gets warmer toward its core. At the bottom of the continental crust, temperatures reach about 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,000 degrees Celsius, increasing about 3 degrees Fahrenheit per mile, 1 degree C per kilometer, below the crust. Geologists think the temperature of Earth's outer core is about 6,700 to 7,800 degrees Fahrenheit, 3,700 to 4,300 degrees Celsius, and that the inner core may reach 12,600 degrees Fahrenheit, 7,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the Sun. Stay tuned for the second part of our Earth episode, where we'll delve even deeper into its wonders, from the depths of the oceans to the heights of its mountains. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe must.